Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Magic Window is probably one of the most engaging and educational books for young children, designed to spark curiosity and foster a love for learning through interactive play and discovery, making it a standout choice for parents seeking enriching experiences for their little ones. Number 5. Acer Aspire 1A11531C2Y3 Laptop. Introducing the Acer Aspire 1, a sleek and reliable laptop designed for your daily tasks. It offers a vibrant display and efficient performance for seamless multitasking. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with its 15.6-inch Full HD display. Enjoy crisp details and vibrant colors, making everything from work to entertainment a pleasure. Powered by an Intel Celeron processor and 4 GB of RAM, it handles everyday applications with ease. The 64 GB eMMC storage provides quick access to your files. Stay productive and entertained on the go with up to 10 hours of battery life. This device is built to keep up with your busy schedule. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 5 and a variety of ports for all your peripherals. It comes preloaded with Windows 10 in S mode and a 1-year Microsoft 365 subscription. What we like? This laptop offers a crisp Full HD display for clear visuals. Its battery life can last up to 10 hours, perfect for on-the-go productivity. If you're a student or a home user looking for an affordable device with essential software included, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great book for toddlers. The magic window effect is really cool and keeps them engaged. My child loves this book. The illustrations are bright and colorful, and the hidden pictures are a lot of fun to find. The book is well made and durable. The pages are thick and can withstand a lot of use from little hands. Number 4. COBETE Damp Clean Duster Sponge. Tired of dust bunnies? Our innovative sponge effortlessly lifts dust, debris, and hair with a single swipe. It traps dust effectively, preventing it from becoming airborne, making it ideal for sensitive individuals. This versatile cleaning tool tackles dust on a multitude of surfaces. From blinds and glass to baseboards and car interiors, it handles it all with ease. When wet, it becomes incredibly soft and powerful for cleaning. After use, it dries quickly and hardens, preventing any unpleasant odors. Simply rinse it under water to clean. Unlike disposable cloths, this durable sponge can be reused countless times, saving you money and helping the environment. For best results, fully wet the sponge before each use. Squeeze out excess water and begin cleaning. You can even cut it to size for those hard-to-reach spots. What we like? This cleaning tool excels at trapping dust without spreading it. It's reusable, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective option. If you need an efficient way to clean blinds, baseboards, or window tracks without raising dust, this is ideal. What people say. The magic window effect is really cool and engaging for kids. The illustrations are vibrant and detailed, making the book visually appealing. It's a durable book with thick pages, perfect for little hands. Number 3. KINGYAO Squishies Squishy Toy 24 PCS Party Pack. Discover these incredibly cute and fun mini squishies. They are perfect for everyone to enjoy, bringing smiles and laughter. These toys are just the right size, about 1.7 inches. They are great for releasing tension and improving hand circulation. Made from safe, non-toxic TPR material, they offer a wonderful touch. They make fantastic gifts for birthdays, holidays, and parties for kids of all ages. If they get dirty, simply clean them with water. These are designed for endless fun and are perfect for Easter basket stuffers or classroom prizes. Whether for Valentine's Day treats or Easter fillers, these are a hit. We guarantee your satisfaction with these delightful squishy toys. What we like? These toys are made from soft, non-toxic TPR material, ensuring safety for kids. They come in adorable animal designs that are fun to squish. If you're looking for party favors, Easter basket stuffers, or a simple way to relieve stress and anxiety for children, these are perfect. What people say. The magic window effect is engaging and educational. The illustrations are vibrant and detailed, bringing the scenes to life. Each page offers a new discovery, making it a fun learning experience. Number 2. Super Z Outlet Liquid Motion Bubbler. Watch as colorful droplets gracefully descend, creating a soothing and mesmerizing effect. This toy provides hours of entertainment as gravity guides the slow-motion pace. Its slow, rhythmic drops have a very appeasing effect, making it a perfect sensory toy. It can help improve visual tracking skills and provide gentle stimulation. Ideal for children with sensory or hyperactivity issues, it helps them to soothe and remain focused. It's a great tool for calming entertainment and stress relief. Simply flip it over to start the mesmerizing motion again. It never runs out of energy, offering endless hours of calming fun. This makes a perfect fidget toy, office desk toy, or classroom reward. It's great for gentle visual stimulation, similar to a lava lamp or hourglass. Each one features 2 bright colors that rain down slowly when flipped. Please note that the color combination will be selected at random. What we like? It provides a soothing visual experience with its slow-moving colored bubbles. This makes it great for sensory play and can help with focus. If you need a calming desk toy, a fidget tool for kids with sensory issues, or a simple, mesmerizing activity, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The magic window effect is really cool and engaging for kids. The illustrations are bright and colorful, really capturing children's attention. It's a sturdy board book, perfect for little hands that can be a bit rough. Number 1. Handheld Groove Gap Cleaning Tools, Sky Blue. Tired of dirt and grime stuck in tight spaces? Introducing our innovative cleaning tools, designed to make your life easier. They are perfect for tackling those hard-to-reach areas. These versatile tools are ideal for cleaning window tracks, sliding doors, and shower door grooves. They effortlessly sweep away dirt and debris from any tight corner. Our unique design features a brush to sweep away dirt and a scraper to dislodge stubborn debris. This combination ensures a thorough clean every time. The elevated, curved handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended cleaning sessions. You'll have full control as you clean. Maintaining these tools is a breeze. Simply hand wash them with dish soap and they'll be ready for your next cleaning task. Keep your home sparkling with minimal effort. What we like? This tool combines a brush and scraper to effectively clean tight grooves. Its design allows for a secure grip and easy maneuverability. If you struggle with cleaning window tracks, sliding doors, or other narrow gaps, this handy tool will make the job much easier. What people say. The magic window effect is really cool and engaging for kids. The illustrations are vibrant and detailed, making it visually appealing. It's a sturdy book with thick pages, suitable for little hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.